guys here at Boston Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Andy, Mummy and Daddy. There we go now.
Yep.
The time now is
it's 12:14.
12:14
on the 26th
of
September.
Awesome. I'm not sure which way it's not clear from the timetable. I don't really understand trains.
Well, we got that. We got
labelled as Skegness, so I don't know if he's going to Skegness from Nottingham or the other way around. I think it's going to Skegness because I think Nottingham's
What are you doing with your arm?
The Skegness is that way.
Stop.
Thank you.
I think that must mean the start.
Yeah.
We got 150,047.
647 now. Yeah.
15604 of Skegness. And
Is that good?
yep,
What train was that then?
Skegness.
Skegness train, okay.
Up they go! Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Can you see? That's the stump. Look, it's the stump. It's good, it's the stump. It's a good stump. Going in now, yeah. So like a stump over there. Let's go. Yeah, but wee. Yep, poo poo. Let's have a look at the Lego. It's windy outside.
You get extra XP for it.
Oh, what's the stump? Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Andy. Who do you know in Thailand?
Someone.
Train never does. Guys, here we are. Boston Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Mummy and Andy and Daddy. There we go now. The time now is
13:49
on Friday.
on the 26th
Saturday.
of September. It's a Wednesday.
Wednesday, yes. So we come to Nottingham. Come and see we go.
Yeah.
He becomes. We got the.
Is that how you get them to toot?
Here it is. We got.
Is that the international symbol?
Yeah.
I don't know where he is yet, Davey.
I think it's in the station.
Is this the side we're staying on today?
Yeah. It's not. It's right, I thought it was coming from that way.
Got 156 to Nottingham.
Oh no, it's just coming from the station.
Oh, there we go. Stand back a bit then.
Here comes. We got 156 for 4017.
Wait, hi.
17 to Nottingham.
Yeah.
And
I counted
Like
3
them?
people on that train. That's awesome.
up they go. Thank you guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video.
Apparently we don't.
Right, maybe have these.
I think it's 15.96 something.
Thank you. Oh, this is so much quicker than.
Any tokens?
I don't know,